Awolamo ifunanya Jesus igwola. Hey! Awolamo ifunanya Jesus igwola. Awolamo ifunanya Jesus igwola. His love has slain us. Have you not heard? Has it been known? Hast thou not known? Hast thou not heard that the everlasting God, the Lord, the Creator of the ends of the earth, fainted not, neither is he weary. There is no search for his understanding. He giveth power to the faint, and to them that have no might he increases strength. He's coming to increase our strength. As a corporate persona, he's coming to increase our strength, our strength, our strength, our strength, our strength. He's coming to increase our strength.
For those of us that are connecting online, next week Saturday in the morning, Family Worship Altar is going to hold on site. On site. For everyone that can hear me right now, for everyone that is hearing me right now, that is connected, that will hear, that will listen later, we want you to know that Family Worship Altar is going to hold physically at ATW Studio in Central Area. 8 a.m. we will gather. The cloud is gathered. There is a sound of revival. There is a sound of rain. If you are in Abuja and its environment and you want to be live and direct to worship with us on this altar, maybe you've been following us online and you've been desiring that you want to be with us physically, this is your opportunity. Please make it a date with Jesus on Saturday at ATW Studio. It's in Central Area. The location is after NTA, around the FCDA area. So after NTA, there's a building just before the bridge, ATW Studio. You will see it. It is promising to be a great moment with the Lord, and we are going to use this opportunity for a live recording of the sounds the Lord has released unto us. We've been talking about something is coming up from this altar. Please make it a date with Jesus. If you intend to come, you can find your way to the studio, or if you have any challenge, please indicate. You can indicate in the comment section that you are interested, and then maybe you drop your number or something. We will reach out to you. We will reach out to you. We will reach out to you. If you have any issue with transportation, let us know. We could make some arrangements. We want to be there live on site, and your life cannot remain the same. Lift up your hands and give him praise. Father, we give you glory. Next week we will be on site. We will worship the Lord together. Find your way to Central Area ATW Studio. Lift up your hands and give him praise. Father, we